Yes, guys, welcome to the Herbal Villa. This is the Herbal Villa. Okay, as you can see, look at everywhere they are all green. Okay, so this is the Herbal Villa. Look at what I want to eat now. This is sugar cane. Sugar cane. I know a lot of you, sometimes you pass all these things on the road, you just look at it and say, well, let me just pass. See, let me tell you the truth. All these little things you are seeing, they are highly powerful. This is sugar cane. This is sugar cane. You know, sugar cane is natural sugar. It's natural. It's natural sugar. Okay, so apart from boosting your energy, sugar cane as well can make you glow. Yes, it can make you glow. That's making your skin to glow. All right. So this one, I just walk around my garden. That's okay. Let me just take this one and then use it to cool down myself. Okay, so this is Herbal Nation. It's really sunny here, but you won't feel it because I am under the tree. Okay, so you won't feel the sun because I'm right under the tree. Everywhere is cool. All right, okay. So I want you to be part of this Herbal Villa. Really, if you are part of this Herbal Villa, there are so many things you will learn here. Although there are so many things also we cannot really say online here because of restriction and all that. But once you are part of this Herbal Villa, I assure you, definitely you will have good health. Okay, so you will have good health. So try as much as possible to be part of this Herbal Villa. So you can chat me privately for that because really there are some we cannot say here online. Yes, but you can chat me up on that. Okay, on this number showing on your screen, plus 2349093855700. Okay, see you all. Thank you very much for watching.